Okay, we will continue with another video to talk about the configuration, the network configuration between these two computers that we've talked in the previous video. Okay, do you remember that? Well, you have here this diagram, very very simple diagram. We will call one computer server and the other one client. We don't care about this. It's to understand, it's to make a difference between the two computers. One computer has two network adapters, remember? One is in another network that goes to the internet, and the other one is from an internal network. Okay, so if we have these two computers, the server and the client, with a network adapter in the same internal network, it's like we would connect them with a switch. Okay, so they are physically in the same network, but now we have to configure them so you can have a connection, a communication between these two computers. Okay, so we'll try to make this configuration. We'll put the gateway if we want to, but first of all we will see if we have communication between these two computers. Okay, so in Debian we have how to configure the DHCP interface or something manually, and you see that after identifying the network adapter's name you can put it static or DHCP or whatever. So we will go. I don't know if I have already configured them, but if it is configured we will change it. Okay, so here we will go to, remember, nano, to edit etc network interfaces, and we have here something. I want to delete it and do it again. Okay, so we have one network adapter M0S3 configured with la DHCP. We will explain this. IPC8. Okay, we have two network adapters. Okay, M0S3, which is 192.168.0.20, because the DHCP server of this network has configured it like that. And we have another one which is M0S8, which is not configured. Okay, it's not configured. Well, it says that it is. Okay, but if I'm gonna init.d networking start this command, we will restart everything. We will see now the configuration, and we have two network adapters. Okay, I will go to network interfaces. We have DHCP M0S3, and we have another one. Well, I don't know why I have configured it like that, but before it was not like that. Okay, we have two network adapters. One is with M0S3 and the other one is M0S8. M0S8. Okay, and 0S8. If I put this, what is going to happen? It will try to get a DHCP address, well, an IP address and network configuration from a DHCP server, but there is no DHCP server in this network. Okay, so I will exit, save this, and I will try to restart. This is to restart, networking restart. IP. Well, I don't know why M0S8 is configured. It should not be configured. Okay, if I take this computer, I will close it and I will start it again. It should work. I will need a little bit of time. Okay. Okay, so you see now, okay, it's okay. Now it's like we wanted. M0S3 is configured with DHCP, and it has an IP configuration that the DHCP server has delivered. But the second one, M0S8, is not configured, and that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we interfaces, and we will change M0S8. Okay, now we were going to say that it is static, and I have to put it statically in a way. It's very simple. I have just consulted that in the internet. Okay, so it is a address, and we will say that this once it's said C21. I will follow this. Okay, I will follow this computer will be 21 and the other one will be 23. Okay, and to put it we have to write address and gateway if you need to, and after that we can configure many other things, but well, we will do it now this way. Okay, so we have 192.168.21, and I don't need gateway because the gateway will be configured in the other network adapter. Okay, so I will close it. We will restart so you can see the changes. etc init.d networking restart, and it's restarted. Now we will see, and they are both down, so we have to put them up. So we use ifup command, ifup M0S3, and it doesn't work because ifup is inside sbin, is inside nettools, and nettools is inside sbin. So sbin ifup M0S3, the HTTP discovered because someone has delivered it. Very good. Now it is configured, I think. We will wait. Renewal. And now M0S8 also. So they both now will be running IPCA. Okay, they both are up. One is 020 and the one is 21. Both of them the same net mask. Okay, so we will go to the client and we will see its configuration. Okay, so it is nano etc network interfaces, and I have already configured it statically. Okay, so the address will be 192.168.23, and the gateway, I will put the gateway the other computer. Okay, the server 192.168.21. this is optional, okay, but I will do like that. I will go out see the situation, well, it's down, so I have to do the same thing. It's being, if up, 1 and 2, once no, sorry, the network adapter's name is M0S3. And it works, I think. Now we have 23 and 21. So if I ping 21, I have to see it. Yes, we have connection. And it should be the same thing in the other way. Ping 1 and 2, 168, 23. Yes, it's responding. So we have communication. This was the very first configuration we wanted to do. That's what we learned last Thursday, and that's what I wanted. Okay. From here we'll go further. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Try to do it by your own. Try to learn a lot with these videos because they will be very useful, and I think that can be useful most of all when you are at home alone and you don't have the teachers next to you to help. Okay, so see you in class and see you in the next video.